Hello, this is my DX experiment 3, which is based on Q. Starting is to simulate a working model of Q, that is insert is delete display Q stack full stack empty operations. Okay, this is the program I've written for that. I initialized it globally that rear and stack are -1. Sorry, rear and front are -1, and I initialized a array of size 4. So the full condition would be rear is equals to 3. So this is int full function. Okay, if the rear is equals to 3, then it returns 1 and returns 0, and it's an empty function. If front is equals to -1, then it returns empty. Okay, this return functions you will get to know after you receive the program. In the main function, I have taken an int task which lets me decide, which shows the program what the user wants to do. This is a go-to label. I'll use it for the recursive operation, recursive execution of the program. Okay, okay. This is the display functions which shows the user what he want, like which shows the options to the user. I take the user option in this and use the switch statement to make 3 cases, like insert, delete, display cases. The queue stack full and stack functions are shown above. So if it's 1, that is insert. First I check if the stack is full or not. So if the stack is full, that is if rear double is equals to 3, this returns 1. This returns 1. So unless it returns 1, this statement will not get executed, because uh, I have asked here if it's not equal to 0. That means if it return if it that is if it return once, this program will get executed. And in else statement, if front is equals to -1, then I incriminate the front, and I also incriminate the rear, because for the first insertion the front gets incremented and also the rear, and I ask the user to enter the number and store it in the rear place. That is so if it's the first element, the front and rear both point the same index. That okay, so the number gets stored in rear. Then okay, after that it goes to loop. See, go to function is used to re-execute these options. Then if it's 2, I check whether the stack is empty or not using the same type of functions used in full function. If it's empty, it returns 1, and if it unless it's not 1, it's other than 0, this statement will not get executed. And if it's if an element is deleted, the front gets incremented, because the front element row has become empty, and that element is shown using a front -1 statement. Okay, a front -1 index, because the front is pointing other variable and I have to display the previous element. Then the loop function again, like a go to function again, and a third case that is displaying, I use a for loop to display all the elements in this. So let's see the execution of the program. Okay, enter. I want to enter it, number 21 3 4 whatever, and let me see the display. Okay, the queue is showing 1 2 3 4. Then later let me delete. Okay, the deleted number is 2134. Okay, let me insert more than 3, some random value. See, since the limit has exceeded, it's showing the queue is full. Let's delete elements. Okay, let's display the elements. Let's see, there are no elements in the queue. So the following function, like the following program, has executed perfectly. Thank you.